Hey, what's up everybody, it's Matt35 here, bringing you guys a quick update on my current game project. So in case you haven't heard the news, Unity decided to lose their absolute minds and piss off pretty much everybody in the gaming community, thus making a lot of game developers dropkick Unity into the stratosphere. So after a while of thinking about what I want to do, I've decided that for the time being I'm just going to put this current game on the back burner for right now. I'm not canceling, and no, I'm not scrapping it. I'm just going to put it to the side for right now while I do some other things and learn some stuff about other engines. And not only that, but also to wait and see if there's something that can allow me to convert my current Unity project over to another engine with minimal fuzz. Now I know it isn't possible for it to be a total one-to-one conversion or anything, but I'm hoping I can be able to just take the bulk of the project as is and move it over and just rework the code and systems over to whatever the new engine uses. I don't know if something like that currently exists in the capacity that I'm hoping for at this particular moment, but if it doesn't, I hope something like that gets made eventually, and then it would make the moving of my project over a bit smoother and reduce the amount of stuff I'm gonna have to redo. I mean, honestly, there isn't a ton of stuff I have to redo for the most part, luckily. I still have most of the game art and pretty much all of the UI art assets because I made those myself, and I still have and own the music that I had composed for the game too. The only thing is I did buy one art asset that I use for the game's environment, so I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm going to go about that situation. And I still have all of the code for the game as well. I'm just gonna have to rewrite it into whatever the new engine uses to make it function properly with that engine's systems and functions. So I still own the bulk of the work. I just gotta get it moved over and readjusted. And I mean, to be honest, this is even the first time I've had to restart work on this thing anyways, so and you know what? It's honestly not a devastating loss. Like, yeah, sure, you have something near done after a long time and tons of work, and something out of your control makes you have to just essentially dead stop everything and refigure things out, and that is really annoying. But you know, it kind of comes with the territory of game development. You know, sometimes you're dead in the middle of a project, the higher ups do something stupid, and now you gotta course correct. It happens quite frequently in game development, to be honest. Heck, when you really think about it, it comes with the territory of like life itself. Because you know, you're always going to have some sort of setback or speed bump in life. That's just how it goes. And yeah, it may seem really annoying or downright frustrating at times, especially in the moment. But the most important thing to take away from the whole ordeal at all times is just get back in there as soon as you're able to and get right back to it. It's only ever a complete wash if you just decide to give up and quit trying, or give up on the idea of whatever it was you were trying to do just because something didn't work out or because it didn't work out the way you wanted it to. It's just a natural, unavoidable part of life that with some sort of dumb behind setbacks or roadblock that, you know, everybody in life has to deal with throughout life. And yeah, you can get annoyed about it, you can get a little angry about it in the moment. You can even punch the air a little bit if you feel that you must. Now that's all fine and dandy. Go ahead and vent how you need to, within reason, by the way. But after all that, make sure you always just get back on track and keep it moving to wherever it was you were going. I mean, yeah, even I had moments with this where I was like, I can't believe this shit, dude. I mean, yeah, it happens. But just don't get too discouraged and throw in the towel or anything like that. You know, just take a moment to regain yourself and continue on to what you were doing. Yeah, just a minor setback. We'll be good. But yeah, I'm StepMac35 and I'm out. Peace. Godot, Unreal Engine, here we come.